Welcome to Label Resizer.
In this video, I'll show you how to add custom text to your Amazon product labels using Label Resizer. Let's start by going to the Product Label Settings page in Label Resizer. First, set your label size. Then, enable the Add Free Text feature. To better understand how it works, let's print a sample label. When the free text feature is enabled, Label Resizer allows you to add custom text in up to 3 areas on the label: header, footer, and the area next to the item condition. For the header and footer, you can increase or decrease the font size proportionally. For example, you can make the header 30% larger and the footer 10% smaller. The size of the text and barcode on your label is automatically adjusted based on the label size and content density. Note, there is no separate font size setting for the Next to Condition area. It uses the same font size as the item condition itself. The Add Free Text feature works across all 3 Label Resizer methods: Chrome extension, resize from PDF, and generate via Spreadsheet. Let's first see how it works with the Chrome extension. Make sure the Label Resizer Chrome extension is installed. When you go to your Amazon Seller Central page, you'll see Label Resizer buttons next to all the Amazon print buttons, only if the extension is active. Let's take a look at a PDF generated by Amazon. This is the default label from Amazon. Now, I want to customize this label by adding extra information. When I click the Label Resizer print button, a pop-up appears because the Add Free Text feature is enabled. From this pop-up, I can add any text I want to each product label. There are also some quick actions available. For example, I can add the merchant SKU to all header text fields. Or if I want to use the same text for every label, I can use the free text for all fields at the top. If I'm pasting information from somewhere else, I can paste a list separated by enter, and Label Resizer will apply each entry to the labels in order. To clear all free text entries, simply press backspace in the Free Text for All field to remove its content. Let's add our brand name in the Next to Condition area, and then append the ASIN to the end using the Append option. Want to reuse the same text for your products? Just check Remember My Free Text Entries. It stays in your browser. Now let's click the Label Resizer Print button. As you can see, all the free text entries have been added to the labels. If I click the Print button again, the pop-up still contains the text values I entered earlier. Now let's see how to use the Resize from PDF method. First, go to Label Resizer and navigate to the Resize from PDF page. Upload the PDF file you downloaded from Amazon. Just like before, the pop-up appears, and since we selected Remember My Free Text Entries, everything is already filled in automatically. Just a small update this time. We'll modify the footer. Now, click the Resize Labels button. As you can see, all the free text entries have been added to the labels just like before. Now, let's generate labels using the Generate via Spreadsheet method. First, go to the Generate via Spreadsheet page in Label Resizer. Download the template prepared for the product labeler and open it. Now, enter the text you want for your labels into the template, then save the file. Next, upload the completed template. Just like before, your labels are generated instantly, as you can see. That's it. If you want more customization, you can use the label editor. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.